Hello everyone, welcome back to GMT Institute. Today we will study about business study chapter management and business environment. So I hope you like it. Please watch till end. Firstly, we read about what is business environment. Business environment refers to all individual institutions and forces which are external to business and beyond its control. These forces affect the working of the business and are uncontrollable to a large extent. A business has to deal with these forces effectively if it is to be successful in the long run. Business environment may be defined as all those external conditions and forces that affect the working of a business enterprises. These forces include customer, creditors, competitors, supplier, government, social cultural organization, political parties, international organization, etc. Some of these forces may have direct influence over the business firm while others may operate indirectly. A few examples of external forces have influence on a business like rapid technology changes as in the computer industry, example introduction of innovative products and models. Next, changes in government economics policies, example licensing policies, import external policies, taxation policies, etc. Third example is political uncertainty, example unstable government, change of finance minister or industry minister of the nation, etc. Social changes, example demand for reservation in jobs for minorities and women. Next is changes in fashion and taste of consumer. Next, labor unrest leading to industrial conflict. And last is increase in competition in the market with the entry of multinational corporation MNCs. After business environment, we will study about the characteristics of business environment. So our first characteristic is totally of external forces. The environment of a business enterprises is made up of all forces external to it. Thus, it is essential for the management to analyze economic, social, political, technological, and global forces for taking strategic decisions for the business enterprises. Our next characteristic is general and specific forces. Business environment covers both general and specific forces. General force include economic, social, political, legal, and technological condition, and they have general or indirect direct impact on the environment. Specific force include investor, customer, supplier, competitors, etc. and they have a direct impact on the business. Both general and specific forces. So third characteristics of business environment is interrelated elements. Various elements of the business environment are interrelated. For example, increased awareness for healthcare has increased the demand for health products like diet drinks, diet foods, diet cooking oils, etc. And availability of health product has improved the lifestyle of people. Next characteristics of business environment is dynamic nature. Business environment is not static, rather it is dynamic in nature, that is it keeps on changing in consumer taste and preferences of the consumer, entry of new competitors in the market, change in technology, change in government policies, etc. are example of environmental changes. Business environment is dynamic in the sense that something which is new today may become outdated or after some time. For example, black and white TV was replaced by color one. Therefore, business enterprises have to be highly question, alert, and adaptable to these changes. Our fifth characteristic of business environment is uncertainty. Business environment is very uncertain as it is very difficult to predict future events, especially when environment changes are taken place too frequently, as in case of information technology and fashion industry. Our sixth characteristics of business environment is complexity. On the whole, business environment is complex in nature as it consists of several forces, each of which has different effect on the business. During different situations, it is difficult to predict the impact of social, economic, and political force on the business enterprises. Our last characteristics of business environment is relativity. Business environment is relative concept. It generally differs from nation to nation and even region to region within a nation. For example, government interference in business is higher in India as compared to the USA. The demand for saris is higher in India than the USA or the UK. After the characteristics of business environment, our next topic is importance of business environment. Our first importance of environment is help in identification of opportunity to get first mover advantages. Opportunity refers to the positive or favorable external factors that are likely to help a firm to improve its performance by keeping in touch with the change in the external environment. An enterprise can identify opportunity and design strategy to capitalize the opportunities at the earliest. For instance, if it is learned that the demand for mobiles is going to increase, a mobile producing company can take steps to increase in production and introduce new model of mobiles to lure into new customers. This is what was done by Hero Honda to establish its leading position in the Indian bike market. By doing so, the firm will get first mover advantages. Similarly, if there is a change in the syllabus or maths paper for a particular class, a publishing company may bring out the revised edition at the earliest to reap the first mover advantage. Our next importance is help in identification of threat or warning signal. Threat refers to the negative or unfavorable external factors that are likely to create hurdle for a firm. Environmental scannings help to identify possible threat in future. For instance, an Indian firm find that an MNC is entering the Indian market with new substitute of its product. This should work as a warning signal for the Indian firm. Based on this information, the Indian firm can improve the quality of its product, reduce cost of production, engage in aggressive advertising, etc. The proposal of Tata Motors to bring out a small economy car by 2008 was a warning signal for Suzuki Maruti to cut its cost or introduce new feature in economic models. Our next importance is help in tapping useful resources. A business can get various resources or inputs for the environment and convert this into desired goods and services for transfer to the customers. If the management of a firm has through knowledge of the external environment, it can tap raw material, technology, and even financial resources from the market at economical prices at a right time. Our next importance is helps in coping with rapid changes. A keen watch on the trend and environment would help to sanitize the firm management to changing technology, competition, government policies, and changing need of the customer. For example, Reliance Industry has always kept pace with the external environment and formulate strategies to avail opportunities in emerging high-tech areas. Our next importance is helping in planning and policy formulation. Environmental analysis help in identify threat and opportunity in the market. They can serve as the basis of formulation of strategies, plan and policy to counter threat and capitalize the opportunity in the market. For example, leading companies like Reliance, Airtel, Hero Honda, Bajaj Auto and ITC have engaged the services of experts to monitor trend in the external environment. The input provided by the expert are used in making policy and strategies regarding product designing, sale promotion, pricing, etc. Next importance is helps in improving performance. Proper understanding of the various elements of the external environment enables the firm to improve its performance. For example, technology used by a company in its production process is changing fast. Adoption of latest technology would help in improving business performance. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you love this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and share as more as you can, because your one share changes someone's future. So please share and press the bell icon to get my latest notification. Till that, stay safe and keep supporting and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.